Hello friend, welcome back to Learn Kotlin in Android Studio. This is Kotlin011. In this video, we'll introduce class, the most important data type in object-oriented programming. Okay, so let's create one here. New Kotlin class. Okay, so what's the name? Class. Okay, class. Sure. So we'll try to test our class. Okay. Play with class, something like that. So we need a class, right? So let's create one here. For example, yeah. The simplest form is like that. For example, create a game. Yeah, it's varied. Nothing. Just a single two words, right? So we can create an object of that. So class is like a template. We can use this template to make multiple unlimited copies of this class. So for example, game A equals, right? Let's create a game like that. Yeah, so we can create game 2, right? Another game, and we can check if they are same or not. So print game A equals game B. What is that thing? It means whether or not they are same instance. Let's try it. Run here. And the 3 equal sign means false, right? They are not a same instance. What about this one? Game A equals game B. Let's see. I have no idea. So, but the first one I'm quite sure. Oh, false. Okay, both are false. So, yeah, this equal, right? Depends on the implementation of equals method. Okay, we'll talk about that later. But now, yeah, it's clear they are not same, right? They are not same. So now class with nothing, right? Like no property or no function or method inside that is almost useless. So let's add something here. For example, add a function, right? Instance function, or sometimes it's called class function. Okay, so it's like that. For example, show game, right? So we can here is the game, blah blah blah. Okay, now with that ready, we can call this function, right? So how do we call that function? Dot sign, right? Show game. Now we can convert. Yeah, let's do an org junit.assert. Let's do an assert here. So this can be assert true, right? Or assert false. Assert false. Yeah, because it is first. Make a copy of that here. We already verified that, right? Now let's see the function call like that. We can call this function using this syntax. That's easy to understand, right? Here is the game. Okay, now let's create a real function for our game here. We'll do a chess game. So here, new Kotlin. So we'll create a chess game, right? A class like that. So what if we want to show the game? Let's show board, okay? Okay, so we can, let's return a string, okay? The description of the board. So we can do something like we'll define the var, right? Like board equals empty one. So we'll return this board as, okay. So now let's use a for loop. For loop I in 0.7. Let's build, right, the board with plus equal, right, a dot here. Now this one we can test it inside this one. Let's see. So double click that and right click here to split vertically. Okay, now we can close this one. Can we test this class? Test test chess game. Let's create an instance of that. Chess game equals chess game. Nice. So we can call print, right? Chess game dot board, show board. Okay, now let's run it. We still don't need to launch the emulator, you see? We can test it quickly, right? And yeah, so let's add another for loop, right? I in 0.7. So for that we can put this one. Wow, cool. And add a line break here. So board at plus a line break, right? Like that. Now let's try it again. Run here. Cool, right? So we can test some code snippet when we put our small class here, or we can test the real thing, right, of that. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.